Hey guys, it's another day in the life of a poultry farmer. Today is day 9 and the birds are feeling cool. It rained the entire night and the entire yesterday. So as you can see, it's morning. We are not doing their normal morning exercise because it's cold. It's quite cold. So I'm just trying to heat them up with the brood alarms. As you can see, under each brood alarm you will have them gathered together. You can see them. You just gotta try to build warm among themselves. But they had breakfast, they had food, and then they take a rest. It was very cool yesterday, very rainy yesterday, and they couldn't sleep with the rain because it hits the zing up, and the noise alone they cannot sleep with that. At this stage they are scared of any kind of noise, any strange noise, strange sound. So they couldn't sleep with the rain, and it's now they are trying to sleep. This is how the rainy season works with poultry farming. So some are quite active, but some are just lying down. Look at the edge there. There are so many.